We making shit happen in here today, ladies and gents. Look, I'm out here with my boy. We about to shoot this whole video. We're gonna see how this shit plays out, everyone. All right, it's gonna be a little bit of a back focus day. No, not a little bit. It is a back focus day, but yeah, I gotta get this thing on the camera right quick. See how this shit goes. All right, y'all. Look, out here with my homeboy Marcus in this bitch. We better see what the hell we got going on. See what work we can get in, cause it's we ain't never got this. Our first workout together, y'all, and it's
sir.
We try ready to put this fucking work in, man. Look at, just trying to catch up the big dog right here. Look at this shit, bro. Come on, come on. You know, it's like watch y'all gonna see the transformations in this bitch. All right, but for now, we're gonna start off with these pull-ups, see how this shit goes, y'all. But all right, y'all, first set, actually, I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a warm-up set with these, just cause I'm trying to get everything in position first. Every time I do pull-ups, I try to do just a couple shoulder retractions, just to get that shoulder movement back and in place where it's supposed to be. So, let's see how this shit goes. First, it's like, ugh.
Oh yeah, look at that back. That's a demon back.
We working on it, bro. We working
That's
on it,
kind
bro.
of back a girl on a scratch.
Damn, yo. Hey. He said that shit's scratchable as fuck, huh? Come on. Do a little bit of these swings, bro. These swings, I'm not gonna lie, this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, we're supposed to be shooting for like 6 reps, and I've been averaging 6 to 8 recently, so I think I'm pretty confident seeing how this shit goes. All right, that's technically my warm-up. I don't need to do. You need to do 2 sets. I'm good with just 1. Let's see what the hell we got. All right, come on, let's get it.
Qué fuerte, huh?
Oh, la verga. Come on. Okay, I was 6. It was feeling pretty damn good. I'm already hot, as you can fucking tell. It takes me 5 minutes and I'm already sweating, y'all. All right, let's see what my boy got. Come on. Show him how it's done, baby. Show him how it's done. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Hey, this is for all the Latina beauties out there, man.
Yeah.
I love y'all.
Hell yeah, huh?
Los amo mucho.
Lo sabe mucho. Hey, that's, don't worry, bro. You got a Mexican on your side now, bro. You gonna learn. Ooh, you got that last one. Yeah. Hey, that's all we need right there. That's all we need.
Slow, controlled reps, man. That's all it is.
Like, I'm telling y'all, if it's not slow and controlled, you ain't doing it right. All right, give ourselves a little breather here. Moving on to the next set.
Just trying to, you know, become a young, successful entrepreneur. I mean,
hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. You know what I mean? That's,
bro, especially in 2024, it don't matter your skin color, it don't matter where you came from. Bro, you can do it. Anyone can do it.
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
And anyone telling you can is wrong.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You know?
There's like too much examples of people doing this shit already, right?
And I think a lot of times we put the chains on ourselves, I call it like kind of the oppression chains. People oppress themselves, really.
Hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying, dog? Like,
hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. You know, it makes sense. I feel like there's something out here kind of telling people to almost not believe in themselves, you know?
Right.
I'm a big conspiracy theorist, bro. I feel like there's something in the media, something telling us that, like,
bro,
like
for real.
They don't want us locked in, y'all. Like, they don't want us locked the fuck in. So, hey, especially, look, I don't care about race like that, but it's something about colored folks being told that we can't do this shit.
Exactly.
You know, and it's like, this is why we got to do this shit, y'all. This is why we got to make this shit happen. Right. Man, we got to prove these motherfuckers wrong. I don't know who these motherfuckers are, but there's somebody out there trying to hold us back, bro. And I'm like, all right, we got to make this shit go, all right? All right, let's do this shit, bro. Set 2. I'm about to get this shit. Let's see what we got.
Who's up, you or me?
Oh, yeah, me first. All right, come on, let's go, baby. All right.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some
yeah. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, no, I was feeling good. I went for the whole 7. And it's not necessary exactly, but if you got it in you, y'all, don't play yourself. Look, that's why I've said this before, but setting a number in your head where you're like, oh, I only got to hit this. But if you feel like you got more, go for that shit, y'all, because, you know, it's all about the gains, ladies and gents. Trying to hit these numbers, Let's get it. Got them all in, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Look at that. Go. That's what I'm talking about there. Oh, yeah, see? Man, what do they say? Ain't nothing but a peanut. It ain't nothing but a peanut, huh?
That's what they say.
Shout out Ronnie, bro. Shout out Ronnie. It's
lightweight, baby, lightweight.
Lightweight, baby. Hey, guys, like, honestly, even just talking to, like, self-talk and is one of the biggest things that you can do in here. Just You know, it's funny. People call it yapping, but I call it really just getting yourself going. Cause if you don't believe it, bro, who else gonna? Man, the person around the corner, they don't give a fuck. Like, you know, it's all about what you think you got in you. So
if you don't believe, no one else will.
Oh yeah, right. I'm saying, bro. All right, let's keep this shit rolling, y'all. All right, y'all. We got one last set of these, just to finish it off. Supposedly only gonna be 3 sets of these, and then we gotta go hit T-bar rows. So let's see how this shit goes. All right, come on. Let me see what I got. Man, I was only feeling 6 that time, y'all, but that was a damn good 6 right there, all right? Let's get it, let's get it. Finish this off about one more, let's do it. Finish it off, bro, finish it off, there we go. Hey, that's all we need. That's all we fucking need, y'all. We got some T-bar rows coming up, everybody. Yeah, come on. There we go. His mic done died, but we back into it. My boy putting in some fucking work right now. Look at it, look at that, look at that. Come on, come on. There we go, there we go. Move that shit. Hell yeah. Hee. Oh yeah. There we go. What I'm talking about, bro. Hey. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. That's good shit on God, bro. See, I don't know nothing about that, bro. I don't know how to dance at all, bro.
Bro doesn't know how to dance. You know how to dance like a cumbia?
I know a lot of that, bro. All I know is the 2-step, bro. It's universal too. It's just come on. What did Will Smith say?
Universal.
Hell yeah, bro. Come on, that's all you gotta do, you know? Hey, yeah. And don't get me wrong, y'all. Just because I'm Mexican, look, this motherfucker got more Hispanic in him with the dancing right there. Look at that. What the fuck? I'm like, hold on. Gotta give me some of that shit, bro. I'm just, yeah, we missed a whole lot of fucking work, guys, because my shit done died, my transmitter. So now we just going out here getting whatever the fuck we can. All right, I'm about to hit some lateral raises.
Hit it.
We're supposed to do, let's see what we got. I don't know how much reps, but let's see what we got. Oh, you know what?
Este entrenamiento es dedicado a todas las mujeres, todas las personas que están trabajando muy fuerte. Y pues que Dios te bendiga.
Hey, there we go, there we go. Come on. All right. Y'all, yeah, we hitting different exercises now. I gotta hit these lateral raises. He got these pull downs. Let's see what we got. I'm supposed to do 8, but I was feeling 10 of them. Again, if you're feeling it, y'all, don't play yourselves and keep this shit rolling. Look at that, roll the bicep pump. It's going, it's going. Oh man.
What you trying to cut down to?
Man, I'm trying to get all the way to, I'm trying to get to 180. Right now, I got 190. So I'm at 190 now. Coming from the peak of my bulk was almost 210. So I'm quite a bit down now.
Boy.
Yeah, bro, hell yeah, bro. I mean, I'm telling you, bro, my heaviest was 280. Like that was.
Oh God.
Oh yeah, bro, my heaviest ever was.
You almost 3 bills?
Yeah, oh yeah, bro. Oh God, I'm like, bro, it is too.
That's a lot of weight for your frame, bro.
Yeah, it was, bro. I was a big kid, and I was like strong, but not like.
You just
really
like
see it,
naturally
you know?
strong
yeah,
because
naturally strong, you know,
right.
But, yeah, 280 was a whole different person, though, y'all.
That's-
Man, my eating habits.
That's a whole nother one of you right now.
I know that is damn near, huh? I'm like, man, and that's why I'm trying to. 180 is my goal for now.
Okay.
And then I want to see what I look like. I probably still won't look, as lean as I fucking want to, but I'm gonna look pretty fucking lean compared to what I've. Like right now, 189 is the lowest I've been as an adult.
Really?
189. So I'm only a pound away from that.
Okay.
And I'm like, once I hit that, and I know I was looking pretty lean, but now I'm like, once I hit 180, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna be pretty fucking proud, I mean, even now, like, I don't feel bad about
That's
where I'm
awesome,
at,
man.
I'm like, we still long to make some fucking gains. Like, bro, being able to see veins and being able to see like any definition, this shit was
You gotta
never.
lay off the tortas, bro.
Bro, right? Oh God, huh? Hell yeah. He said, hey.
That pan dulce. Your mom ever be making that shit?
Not making it, but we be buying, bro. Been eating that shit my whole life. Bro, that's one of the reasons I was getting 280, bro. I was like,
You eating the pan,
pinche
the pan dulce,
fucking,
los
bro,
chetos.
man, los chetos, no, a la verga, no, because we eat so much tortillas, bro. We eat so much like gorditas, pinches,
yeah.
enchiladas, pinches, what are they called? Taquitos. You know, like in English, they're taquitos, but bro, it's just super high calories.
Yeah,
you know?
very high calories.
Man,
and it's hard to make that shit healthy.
Bro, you almost can't. You almost can't.
I mean,
like,
how do you make a birria taco healthy? Like, bro, you can't. You can't.
You're not, bro. You can only eat 2 of them bitches, then you're almost at your calorie limit,
stuffed.
right? I'm like, fuck, bro. All right, let me check my format on these. I need to be pristine, because if I'm only going for 8. There. Come on, bro. Come on. One more. Fuck. Woo. All right. I think you all done for the day then, bro?
Yeah, man.
All right, my boy's out of here. Thanks for working with me, brother.
Bro, let's get another workout in soon.
Oh yeah, bro, we're gonna make this shit happen, man. It's just again, Fridays I think will be best because that's when I'm like, it's free game for me. You know, I can do whatever.
What your weekends look like?
I don't work out weekends because I do all weekdays. Oh yeah, you take a day in the week off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, that's the difference. I rather have my weekends completely free because I already work. And
you work on the weekends?
Yeah, quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but I do work, and it's like it's a whole different thing. But yeah, bro, we'll chop this shit up. We'll see what's going on, man. All right. Other than that, then, bro. Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll catch you next time, bro. One more time, bro. Yeah, we still gonna finish this shit off. I got 2 more sets of no. Well, I did 30s and I got 10 of those, man. I'm only supposed to be getting 8. So I might just do 2 more sets of these then, of these 35s. Because those other ones are feeling too damn good. Now let's see what we got here. Eight of those are like perfect. That's almost like a 9 RPE. What am I supposed to be doing? RPE 8 I'm supposed to be doing, but I'll take it though. I'm feeling it today. It's feeling fucking great. So we got 1 more set of those. Come on. Last one of these. Let's hit the hell with it. I'm feeling good, hopefully. I mean, my form was looking pretty decent in the mirror. We're gonna see how it comes out in the video though. Let's see. Last set. Come on.
This was shallow pain.
Okay, the last one might have been ugly, but I went for it. Oh, let's call it there. Moving on to the next exercise. Got some leg presses coming up. All right, we're back to these single leg presses. Fucking, I kind of dread these sometimes, but I'm feeling pretty good about them today. I don't know why. Let's just see. I'm gonna jump right into them. I already did my warm-up set. Let's see what the hell we got out of this. Oh, man. I think I'm supposed to get 15. I overshot it with the weight, y'all. I only got 10. Whew. We'll go down a little bit for the next set. All right, y'all, we jumping into set 2 in here. It's, I went down because that shit was rough as fuck. I'm supposed to be getting 15 reps of this. I only got 10 last one, so I went down a bit here. Hopefully, we get those 15 out of this one. Let's see what we got. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. That shit didn't even feel good. Shit felt like something about to tear off the bone. Oh, I'm going just a tad bit less, like 10 pounds less. Whoo! So the next set goes. Oh, Lord help me. Take me now, please. I skipped recording the last set because that shit, I was hanging out for dear life, y'all. Thank y'all for tapping in, though. Let's get this punch check going. And that's what we call a bitchin' ass workout, everybody. Thank y'all for tapping in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Go like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I usually say. I appreciate the fuck out of it, y'all. So thank y'all. Catch y'all. Adios, everybody. Adios.